Guys, we are taking measure for the belt exhaust fan using our belt tension. See, very hard to take because this belt is
Very small.
very closer the pulley to pulley. That's why very hard to take measure, right?
Mm.
How much the hold?
Upside. Yeah. Move on. And
The old measure is 101 and the new is 115. And the result now not showing.
see, it's very hard.
Very hard. It's too tight. Very tight. That's why very crucial. Our brand of motor is made in USA. Baldor brand. This is exhaust fan from the kitchen restaurant. They're our colleague, Mr. Dennis, Mr. Marvin, Mr. Arman, Mr. Kiskulalat. And my colleague, Aparenda Bay.
Hello.
Hello guys.
Hello, Mark. Mark! Come, bro. He only take Mark.
Tal, baby, tal.
He only this take.
Ayaw mo kuha?
This.
Kailangan yan
This
lakas.
belt only.
Kailangan yan lakas ang pitik.
Careful, yeah. Coming?
Ikot tayo, ikot.
How much?
105.
115.
115. One one 101.
How about 1 anything? No problem.
Ito yung ducting niya, yan. Galing doon sa loob, sa restaurant. Yan. Tapos palabas siya, papunta doon.